Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to mute a video before sending in WhatsApp on Android. So this is my Android device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to open the chat where you want to send a video. So let me open this chat. I want to send a video in this. You can see it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this attach this icon over here. Let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this gallery, and then just open your folder where you have your video. So let me open this folder, all videos. Okay, so I want to send this video, so let me select this by tapping on it, and you can see guys I have this screen opened. And below the video frames, you can see I have this speaker icon. And guys, if you don't find this speaker icon, then just update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And after updating, you will get this speaker icon. So in order to mute a video, you have to tap on this speaker icon. Let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I have this line going through speaker icon. That means the video is now muted. And here we have this caption. If you want to add a caption, then just tap over here. Let me tap on this. And guys, this is not mandatory. If you like, you can add a caption, and if you don't, then just leave it. So I want to add a caption. So let me add this video with no sound. Okay. And after that, just tap on this send this button. So let me tap on this. It's sending, so I need to wait. And you can see guys, it's now sent. So that's it. In this way you can easily mute a video before sending in WhatsApp on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.